start, I'm gonna do a magic. Whoa! How did my face turn into a... This is the tutorial. I first moved my face like that, and then I moved the pillow here, and then like... Please copy this video and don't comment to this video, and respect each other. Don't bully. Okay, here's the result. Do you like the result? So here's another way how can you... Don't forget to like and subscribe first, but before I show it, I'm gonna show you. That was just a blank. You got a good day. That's funny. How what would that... Why? See the full video, okay?